In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a new ivy gourd plant from the stem of an existing plant. All you need is a stem from the existing plant. So to start a new plant, you would get a piece of an existing plant. So let's cut it here. Okay. So we have a small piece that we'll try to grow and see how it works. So the important thing is, remember the side that you got. So this side was closer to the ground, and this was the free end, or the other side is the top side. So it's always important that the side that was closer to the ground needs to go into the ground or needs to be in the soil for replanting. So let's try to grow this one and see how it will show up. Cut this little piece off, and let's come back after a few days and see how that would show up. It's been a little over a week. Let's see the progress. Yeah, so there is a new shoot coming up from our plant. Sometimes the shoot comes from here, but looks like in this case it's coming from below. It's a little over 2 weeks now. You can see it's already nice and tall. The shoot has come from here. You can see the new roots coming out. So there you have it. This is how you could start your own new ivy gourd plant in less than a couple of weeks. I have a separate video on how to grow these plants in colder North American climate. You could watch that too. Thanks for watching.